What's up YouTube family? Welcome to our channel, where we do unboxing and reviews as tech happens. Today, we'll be just doing a quick overview of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. As you've seen in the video just before this, I already opened up the box, so let's just take a look what's inside the box, what we're getting. We're getting the Samsung Galaxy Watch, which I already set it up. We're getting two straps, a large, and we're getting a small. Let's just remove this. A small. These are premium quality bands, high quality silicone rubber bands. We're getting the wireless magnetic charger to USB. Let's just give this a quick test and see how it works. So just snaps on to your watch. Let's plug in our power bank. So as you can see, we just got to plug in our power source and immediately it starts to charge via the magnetic wireless charge. It's quite a strong magnet, so it's just not just going to slip off the watch itself. Okay, and we're also getting the warranty card and the quick start guide. So just picking up this watch, I can already tell you, and it is a super light watch, just coming in at 25 grams. It's very light, and just what you expect from Samsung. It is a premium build, high quality watch. We have two physical buttons. Bottom is the menu, and this being the back button. At the back, you have your heart rate sensor. We have a mic, but this is not for calls, as this watch does not have a loudspeaker. So this is just for Bixby and for dictation. So you can speak to type if you're replying to a message or WhatsApp or any kind of social media dictation. You can just speak to type, but it's not for any type of calls because there isn't a loudspeaker and it isn't an LTE version. These are 20mm straps, so they are easily replaceable. You just unclip and clip in the new one according to your mood and what you want to wear it for. But this, as it says, it's a Samsung active watch, packed with all the features that you normally expect from any active or fitness tracker, just at a high quality build from Samsung. It's compatible with iOS and Android platforms. So I've already took the liberty of setting it up, but you can just go to your relevant store, whether it's iOS App Store or the Google Play Store. You can just download the Samsung Wearables app and follow the prompt and set up your watch. So I've already done that. I'm using the Android platform, so this is what it looks like. This is the app for the watch. So let's just dive into the watch. This is an active watch, so it's packed with all the activity features that you would need or expect from an activity watch. Let's just take a quick look at the features that it has. So we have the running coach, running, walking, cycling, hiking, swimming, as in pool or outdoor. And this watch is IP68 rated, so it's waterproof for 50 meters, water resistant, or 5 ATM. Treadmill, exercise bike, elliptical trainer, circuit training, weight machine, and other workouts. And obviously you could put more workouts. At the back, we have your heart rate sensor. This can be continuous, or you can set in intervals according to your preference. We have your step counter, your calendar, and like other Samsung wearables, using the Samsung Galaxy app itself, we have many faces to choose from. Many that come standard, and if you do not like any of it on there, you could just go to more faces and download plenty other faces from the Samsung Galaxy store itself. It has a stress meter, also has breathing exercises, just to name a few. Let's just go through the menu itself. We have your calendar, your clock or alarm clock, settings, Samsung Galaxy Gallery, weather, your Samsung Fitness app, Bixby, contacts, phone dialer, notifications or reminders, music app. Now, because this has Bluetooth, this has 4 gigs of memory with 768 megabytes of RAM. You can store music directly onto the watch and connect the watch to your Bluetooth headphone. So there's no need for you to carry around your phone when you're training. So you could just leave your phone in your bag or leave it at home, train, and still play your music off the watch to your Bluetooth headphones. We got gallery, which you can send pictures from your phone to the watch. You got Find My Device, Spotify, World Clock, and Samsung Pay. Samsung Pay uses your NFC just like your Samsung device, Samsung phone. You can add any credit card or debit card and use this watch as a tap and pay when you're going to do your shopping or anywhere that supports tap and pay. As we know, Samsung devices, for their punchy, beautiful, bright Super AMOLED display, this does not lack any of those features. It's beautiful, colorful, bright enough for the outdoors. It's a 1.1 inch, it's 360 by 360 pixels with a pixel density of 302. We have Gorilla Glass 3 on top, so it's strong enough. And we have always on display. I did take the time of doing a little outdoor test, and I will attach it after this so you can have a view of what it looks like in the bright direct sunlight with the full brightness on. Direct sunlight visibility. Still very, very good. The feature that I really like and enjoyed with this watch, it has auto detect. So if you are just taking a brisk walk or you start to train but you just slip your mind to select what training you are doing, it auto detects your training and enables it by itself. So if you are taking a walk and you forget to activate the walk function, it'll auto detect it and start to track your exercise. That's very cool. So sometimes it does slip our mind when we are training to just switch on that feature. Okay guys, let's just talk about the battery life of this watch. This watch packs a 230 milliamps battery, which is not the biggest that you'd get, but with normal usage it would last you a day. If you're going to turn on the GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and connect it to your phone, it's going to run down much faster than you would expect. So just be wary if you're going to use it with all your sensors on. It's going to use much more power and it's going to die much quicker. But overall, if you use it just the watch itself, not a heavy use, it would take you through the day. Speed, when it comes to speed of the watch, it's decent, it's good. I never had any complaints with it. If surfing through, smooth, no problems, no lag. We pack in the Exynos 9110 processor, 10 nanometer, Mali T720, 4 gigs of onboard memory, 768 megabytes of RAM. So for your daily usage and your fitness tracking, you're not going to experience any lag or any problems with it. Let's just take a quick look through it. As you can see, there is no lag or anything like that. It's quite snappy, quite fast. The watch itself, it's a small watch. So for someone looking for a lightweight, small, durable watch, premium build, beautiful display, interchangeable bands, just for your daily fitness tracking, this is a good watch. So my YouTube family, this was just a quick overview of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. Please let me know in the comment section below what you think of the watch itself and of the quick overview. Your support would be highly appreciated. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like the video and share it, and looking forward to much more coming soon. So till the next time, stay safe.